Sweet potato wedges in oven. Sweet potato wedges baked. Welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel. My name is Farron Striker. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make sweet potato wedges in oven. It's going to be a very simple, delicious, and just see how we put everything together. So for our sweet potato wedges in oven, we are going to use 2 sizes of potatoes. This is sweet potatoes. I'm just going to peel it, take the ends. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of these. Okay, so now I am going to cut this halfway this way. Just be careful with your knife. It's easier to set it down. All right, once that is done, we are going to wash this. I'm going to drain this. We're going to towel dry this. Okay, now that this is done, we towel dry it nicely. I'm using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm gonna toss this. Make sure this is coated. We can see it's coated nicely on here. Okay, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of rosemary. That's rosemary. And then I'm adding 1 tablespoon. This is adobo seasoning. Adding that to this. And then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of basil, dry basil. If you have fresh, that's good as well. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oregano. This is dry oregano. And now we are just going to coat this. Now we are going to put this on a rack. So I have this rack. You can put it on a parchment on. You can lay a parchment on here and put everything on here, or you can put it on a rack. I just want to put mine on a rack like that. Give some space in between. Okay, and as this is done, we are going to put this in 450 oven. All right, so our oven has baked and we are going to put this in the oven. It's gonna be delicious. Close this and we are going to set a timer. It's gonna be 30 to 45 minutes. We're gonna set it to 30 for now. We'll come back to check on it. So I just take these out and it's almost done, but I am going to turn them around and we're going to put it back in just for at least another 10 minutes so we can get it a little bit crispier. Alright, so our sweet potato wedge in oven is ready. It looks so delicious, yummy. Put this in here. As you can see, our sweet potato wedges in oven is ready and it looks so delicious. And you can see and you just enjoy. I hope this video helped you to make your own sweet potato wedges in oven or sweet potato wedges baked. You can add anything you want to it, you know, just any seasoning that resonates with you. You can mix that with it. It doesn't have to be exactly this recipe, but you can just the idea, and you can add your own how you want it to come, and you can enjoy it. And I'm telling you, it does really taste good. So I hope this helps you to make your own. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below for me. As always, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.